Oh my god. It is day 5. We are struggling today. We literally had breakfast at 9. And we come back to the hotel room. I fell asleep. It's now like nearly 1 o'clock and we haven't done anything all day. It's Saturday. We were gonna go to the beach and stuff and then go to the town and just chill out and find some stuff to and find something to eat. But we're just like, oh, I can't bother. Yasmin's just over there living her best life. Just having a dipperoo. It is so hot today, I swear to God. Our plans changed though. We couldn't get a transfer into town because the info point had shut, so we're here for a couple of hours just chilling. But Yasmin, in you go on! Huh? In you go!
Alright, yeah, sitting there.
Oh. You can do it!
Oh, it's my phone.
Oh no!
Huh?
I said, oh no!
I can be a hero, hero. Oh! I can kiss away the pain, oh yeah. I'll stand by you forever. You can take my breath away. You can take my breath away. I can't live. Breath away. She banged. She moved. Oh no. Oh. But she. The rest of the words. It's raining. Woo! Hallelujah! It's rain. Oh yeah. I'm going to my abode. Okay. Go to your boat, darling. I'm going to my abode. She banged. Oh baby, but she moves. Oh. So crazy. But she looks like a something and she stinks like a bee. Not every girl. Miss Stormy. Jack. Come back. Ow, just look. Go off. Oh, it's disgusting one. Oh my god, that's a machine or whatever it is. Smack that all on the floor, smack that. Give me some more, smack that. Till you get so, smack that. Oh my god. Smack that all on the floor. She banged. Oh baby, but she moved. Go crazy. Oh no, I don't fancy that. In case you fall in. What? Oh, if you give me your hat, that can help, but I don't want to pull.
I'm coming in. You better have tea and biscuit.
Smack that! Oh, no! Oh. Yeah.
I will do it. I haven't jumped in a pool in so long.
I know. That makes me nervous. If it was in that one, I'd be alright.
I'm gonna do it. Do it, go on. Do it. You first.
No, I went in last time.
Okay. If I break something.
That's what I'm saying, I'd rather...
Oh, you put me off. Hold on. I'm not going to do a running jump, I'm just going to jump.
Do it up here.
I don't know if I should hold my nose, I might go under. I've got to. I have to.
I'll jump up here.
Go on then.
If you do it at the same time.
Alright, you ready? Is that deep enough?
I don't know.
Alright, ready? 3.
Oh, Lauren.
You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Got something I want to say. Can I? Oh, talk the face. Try to take my bitch. You gon' take some time.
Is it not? Pizza by the pool again. We're dying for like proper food and this is about as good as it gets. We have found Kinder Buenos. Yasmin's got a Kinder Bueno over there. I have a Kinder Bueno. This is my favourite chocolate of all time. It's so good. Also found some popcorn and some Lay's. Yes, bitch! Found some chewing gum that was like €3. It was pretty expensive. So that's that. On today's news.
On today's news,
Oh, you look so nice and
we have a
tan.
red face.
I managed to conceal mine a little bit. Oh god, my hair is so wild. Can't bother.
Oh, hey.
Good afternoon. In today's news,
Lauren just made me.
I just got my butt out in front of Yasmin because she loves it. We're gonna go and eat pasta. Again. I don't want
So
to.
excited.
I'm so thrilled about this moment in
Sorry,
time.
I'm not being vain, I'm just checking out.
No, it's nice. You look beautiful.
Don't like this bit at the end, but whatever.
Yeah, my hair's a bit fluffed too.
But
It's okay.
Can't be arsed.
Can't be arsed. No, this is about as much effort as I'm gonna make
Yeah,
on this holiday as people walking up the road.
this is a good selfie right here. Yeah.
We've got snacks. I think I already filmed that. Yeah, we got snacks. And then we chilled out, had a shower. And now we're gonna eat pasta.
I'm excited.
I don't want to eat pasta.
Got tomorrow night,
Yeah, Monday night.
Monday night, and then
it's over.
it's over. Tuesday we are
Going home.
flying home.
I kind of want to go home and I kind of don't want to go home.
I kind of
The only thing that makes me not want to go home. No, the only thing that makes me want to go home is the food thing.
Yeah.
That's it. That's the only thing that's.
There's anything with me
Yeah.
as well. I've had a really good time. Like, it was shit to start with, I will be honest.
Yeah.
When we got here, it was just like nothing could be worse. Right now, we wanted to go home ASAP, but the day after, it all just like it got better.
It got
except
better.
for the food, but
Yeah, the only thing that hasn't got better is the food.
what can we do about that at the moment? Nothing.
Nothing.
So we're just going to embrace
What we have left.
what we have left, enjoy, because I've had a lovely 7 days with my best friend.
It's not been 7 days yet, but yeah.
But yeah, 7 days with my best
Yes.
friend.
Thank you.
It's always a pleasure. We
Yes,
never
darling.
argue.
No, we're on the
holidays.
same level every
Always on
single
the same
time.
level. She said earlier, should we go and get a pizza from the pool?
And
an
you know
ice
what?
cream.
I was thinking the exact same thing. I didn't know whether she was hungry or not, so I didn't bother asking.
should
Now,
always
for
ask.
future, I'm gonna ask.
I'm always in the mood for pizza.
Yeah.
Always.
So,
Well, unless I've already eaten it the day before. When it comes to Domino's, it's the only time
I hardly ever have pizza with you. This is a Bella Italia.
Bella Italia pizza.
Yeah.
Oh, and their barbecue sauce. I haven't had barbecue sauce in like a week.
Okay.
How am I gonna go another 2-3 days with no barbecue sauce?
It's fine.
I don't know if I can do it.
So fine.
I love barbecue sauce so much.
We don't know what we're gonna do when we get to the airport because
I'm hoping there's food there.
there's a supermarket there. Lauren looked, so there's a supermarket. So we've got some sort of hope. But I don't want to eat crisps again.
No, I want to eat just something.
I want to eat like a sandwich. Just give me a sandwich.
Yeah.
Like, well,
Chip
I
butty.
don't think there's going to be pizza and chip butty there. But if there's a sandwich, at least a cheese sandwich or a chicken sandwich. I'm a bit worried about eating chicken sandwich.
Yeah, I haven't eaten any meat here.
So.
Have I? No, we haven't eaten any meat. No. Oh, there was a little bit of mince in the
Oh yeah,
pasta the other day. That was okay. It's mince. You can't get poisoning from
No, you
mince.
can't get poisoning from mince. But
I haven't eaten.
just fancy a nice fresh chicken salad sandwich from a supermarket.
Or Subway. Oh, Subway.
Yeah,
I'd love a Subway right now.
same. So that's what's happening. But so yeah.
How's that? So yeah, we're gonna go eat pasta.
I
Don't
just
want to see pasta ever again.
I won't have it for a good few months now after this.
Scarred for life.
It's alright if it's like really good pasta. I mean, to be fair, it's better than that one the other night was better than that Domino's
Yeah.
one. But it's not as good as my nan's pasta, or
It's not authentic Italian pasta.
it's not as
for
good
sure.
as my pasta that I make.
I like Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah.
Okay, should we go and enjoy this? What are we doing after? We're going into the Sky
Well,
thing.
yeah, I want to see if I can get my Wi-Fi
Wi-Fi
work.
to work. Yeah,
I'm
that's
going
cool.
insane without internet right now. Maybe we just go for one drink and then come
That's
back.
fine.
Oh, what is this? It's
The
like
bugs are out.
it's like Bugs Life here, by the way.
Bugs life. Alright, bye guys.
Sorry, I forgot about
She did it for me.
sad. So,
Yeah, it's day 6. It's day 6 of our holiday. We've ate breakfast, croissants, cake, Cocoa Pops, cake.
I gave up with the Cocoa Pops halfway.
Again. Oh god, we're over this. There's people getting on this. We're on this like little buggy cart thing to take us to the beach. It's a little bit cloudy today though, but we're going to say goodbye to it. I think tomorrow's going to be miserable, so yeah. Day 6. Yeah. Sorry, I forgot bye.
Oh my god. Yeah!
I need to go home.
I need to go home now.
I need to go home now.
Oh my god. That's my bum. Bye. Hello, hello, hi, hello. It's the last full day. I haven't actually filmed all day because we've done nothing. It's been raining on and off. There has been just nothing to do all day. We've been watching TV all day. We both had like an hour-long bath each, not at the same time, like at separate times. Jasmine's here, by the way.
Hey.
And now there's a massive ass rainbow. Like it's huge.
And thunder and lightning.
Thunder and lightning. My camera's gonna get so wet. Oh my good god.
Do you want to cover it up?
No, I'll be alright. I'll just do this quickly. Yeah, so there's a storm happening now. I don't like storms. I've been scared since I was like, I don't know, out the womb. So there's a storm happening, but we're sitting on the terrace anyway because we're crazy people.
I love storms.
So yeah, here's Jasmine. Let's put her in a little bit. But yeah, it's kind of dark because it's night time.
It's so nice out here. We thought we'd spend our last night at this place.
And the terrace, our favourite bit.
In the terrace, our favourite bit, and watch the thunder and lightning. Crazy, but
yeah. So we just had dinner again. Thank God that's over.
I will give them the due though. They have put more stuff out today.
They did have a bit more choice
chicken and stuff like that, but it wasn't great.
No, I think because our standards are so low that it tasted okay.
Yeah.
But
and we were just so. I mean, I was hungry.
Yeah.
I was so hungry, so I was just like, you know, have anything kind of thing.
Yeah. Excuse me. But yeah, it's pissing it down.
Get away, you little.
God. We've been bitten so many times by mosquitoes.
Oh my god, it's unreal.
My butt is literally a pimple station.
Piss off!
We were like, oh, you know what, if we sit outside and it's raining, we won't get attacked.
Yeah, because I was more worried about the mosquitoes and bees, because, I don't know, I hate bees and wasps, I have a fear of them. So, because it's raining, they won't be out. There's no bees and wasps, but there's loads of, I think, mosquitoes.
Yeah, it's not cool.
We've been bitten so much.
Yeah, we're itchy everywhere.
Like, we keep seeing bites, or we keep feeling it, we're like slapping.
Yeah.
Like,
it's like a new tattoo basically. It's just so itchy and you're just like, fuck's sake. It's just lumpy and hard and red.
It's like nature out here. There's ants underneath the camera.
Yeah, there's like party going.
Whoa, I wish I captured that.
Oh, there's gonna be a big bit of thunder. You should
Closure
count it. We didn't count it. What was it? You have to say elephant, don't you? Like 1 elephant, 2 elephant, 3
Here
elephant.
it is.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
This
Now-
wasn't forecasted.
No, it wasn't.
No.
No.
Oh my god, stop.
Shit. Now, if I was on a plane right now, I'd be crying. Literally.
Same.
I would be crying.
I wouldn't be able to help you in this moment.
My mum come back from Dubai last year, and Virgin Atlantic plane, absolutely fine. The flight was alright. Coming back, what happened? The lightning hit the wing, and I was like, "Did you not feel it?" She was like, "Yeah, we felt it, but it was fine." I was like, "Fine." I was like, I would have been having a panic attack on the plane. Get me off this fucking thing. I don't care if I have to jump out. Just get me off. And then the pilot apparently said, "Oh, look, sorry, apologies for what happened. Can't do nothing about it."
Yeah, no, it's out of his hands.
But, you know, we're fine. Everything's fine. Like, just carry on as normal. Carry on as normal?
Get me off.
I'll be having an asthma attack on the flight.
Same, mate. I don't even have asthma.
You're having a panic attack.
I don't have a panic attack. My head would be under
And
the
you
seat.
don't. You're fine.
I'm fine, but thunder and lightning on the ground is bad.
Yeah.
Up in the sky, fuck off. No, thank you. I didn't sign up for that.
Why don't they just piss
off.
off?
Yeah.
You've had enough blood from us. Like,
Innit? It's like fucking Vampire City over.
I need Damien quite soon.
Oh!
The, you know, again.
Have you?
Yeah, I'm just letting everybody know this.
Yeah, Yasmin's had some toilet trouble. We thought it was the milk.
6:30 this morning.
Oh god.
I woke up.
Here we go.
Ran straight. Sorry, everybody.
It's alright, they're used to it with me.
Ran straight to the toilet. I thought it was actually going to. I'm so glad Lauren was asleep. I was actually like,
holding your butt.
I do not want her to witness this right now. I shut the door and I'm so glad she didn't hear. But I was literally on there for about half an hour.
Oh my god.
And I got off and I was like, right, I'm going to try to go back to sleep for an hour.
Yeah.
I did. And then later today, it happened again when you fell asleep. And I was just like, oh my god, I need to go. Like, I need to go. And I was just like, what is it? I haven't had milk today.
Yeah.
Go away.
Yeah, no, it's something. I don't know.
Honestly.
It's something because we were eating the same thing, and I'm alright.
I'm seriously about to go any second.
You better go, mate. Oh my god,
I'm coming back out.
Okay. Well, oh my god, my camera's getting so wet. Let me just turn this off for a second. You can see the sky is like super unhappy. There's a rainbow. You can't really see it. It's easier to see with the naked eye. There's a rainbow just here and it's massive. I can't capture the whole thing, but it's huge. I've never seen a rainbow that big before. Like, it takes up like half the sky. Oh, it's disappeared now. Oh, my camera's getting so wet. Yeah, the sky is not happy at all, and nor is Yasmin's bowels. So yeah, we've had like a good holiday, I would say. It's been okay. Like, the only downfalls that we've had is the beds aren't that comfortable. We had to ask for another pillow because they only gave us one. Like, what hotel gives you one pillow? I've never been in any hotel that gives you just one pillow, and I've stayed at like Travelodge and Premier Inn and stuff like that where they give you, you know, it's comfy. It's so weird because this is like a 4-star, so you'd expect like at least 2 pillows, somewhat decent food, but it's been, oh god, I think that's thunder again. It's just been a bit of a struggle the whole holiday. Like, that's a bit dramatic, but like, we've had good days where we're just like by the pool and we're having some fun, listening to music, and we've been to the beaches and they've been beautiful. Like, the whole scenery here is stunning, like unbelievably stunning. Like, it's so worth it at the end of the day. But like me and Yasmin are big food people. We love eating like our favourite foods and going out to dinner. That's just who we are. And then you come here and you have to eat like pasta that tastes, well, just like not good. I'm not being dramatic, I swear to god, it's just not the best. Breakfast hasn't been bad though. I haven't had any issues with breakfast. I mean, I've been eating cake. They serve cake at breakfast, so I've been eating cake for breakfast and toast and croissants. Breakfast has been completely fine. It's just dinner, it's just like, I don't get it at all, and it's not authentic Italian stuff. Like, we're in Italy, where's the authentic Italian freshly made pasta? Do you know what I'm saying? Like, there's not much to ask. That's kind of why we come here. But I don't know, but we have had a really good time, apart from Yasmin's having bowel issues. She's in the bathroom somewhere. I can't believe this week has gone so quick. We're going home tomorrow. I don't think I'll vlog tomorrow just because we'll be travelling and stuff. There's just no point. Yeah, oh, the rainbow's disappeared almost. The staff here have been so nice. Like, we have our favourite staff member called Paolo. He is so funny, and he like is a driver here, so you can hire a car, well, not hire a car, you can get in a bus thing and he'll take you somewhere. And he's been amazing, so we love him, and every member of staff has been really helpful and lovely. It's just the food and the bed and the pillow situation, and the weather has been pretty crap today, but we've had a good few days where the weather has been so nice. But yeah, so now we're just enjoying this thunderstorm, and while Yasmin shits her brains out. Really coming down, holy cow. Getting a bit moist here.
Yes.
Whoa!
You lucky bitch!
Got that.
I am so pissed right now. That was right in front of us.
Yeah. Oh, that's mad. Oh my god, I'm terrified. I might piss myself.
I was like, okay.
That's right over us now.
Should we go in?
No, I'm okay. If it gets any closer, I'm fucking gone. I will run so fast. I'll probably hide in the bath as well.
You can do that.
You can do that, that's fine.
Yes, bitch. Oh, I see it. Whoa!
I got that.
Fuck off. Wait, do it random.
Did you get it?
No. Oh, just caught the fucking end of it.
Update on your poo. So we're still sitting here filming the what's going on? There's like a glare. Oh, it's from the light down there. So we're filming the storm. Yasmin's trying to get it on her Snapchat.
I'm so upset. I'm trying to get it on my Instagram because we saw like lightning all together. It was just here, literally above us a minute ago. Update on my poo. Yeah. It was.
How was it?
It was definitely something. An experience that I wish on nobody.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, that's Yasmin's poo story. But yeah, we're just sitting in the rain, getting a bit moist. I'm just a dark potato right about now.
Same.
So yeah, that's just what we're doing.
I'm excited.
Yeah. It's very rainy. I forgot, sorry, bye.